Arabic dinner recipes. 1. Shawarma. Ingredients: 1 lb chicken or beef, thinly sliced. A quarter cup olive oil. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 tsp cumin. 1 tsp paprika. 1 tsp allspice. A half tsp cinnamon. A quarter tsp cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Pita bread. Toppings: chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, parsley, pickles, tahini sauce. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, marinate the sliced chicken or beef with olive oil, garlic, cumin, paprika, allspice, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. 2. Heat a grill or pan over medium-high heat. Cook the marinated meat for 5–6 minutes on each side, or until fully cooked. 3. Warm the pita bread in the oven or on the grill for a few minutes. 4. Assemble the shawarma by placing the cooked meat on the warm pita bread and adding your desired toppings. 5. Roll the pita bread tightly and wrap it in foil to keep it warm. Enjoy your homemade shawarma. 2. Falafel. Ingredients: 1 cup dried chickpeas. 1 small onion chopped. 3 cloves garlic minced. A quarter cup fresh parsley chopped. 1 tsp cumin. 1 tsp coriander. A half tsp baking soda. Salt and pepper to taste, all for frying. Instructions: 1. Soak the dried chickpeas in water overnight or for at least 6 hours. 2. Drain the chickpeas and pat them dry with a paper towel. 3. In a food processor, blend together the chickpeas, onion, garlic, parsley, cumin, coriander, baking soda, salt and pepper until you get a coarse mixture. 4. Heat oil in a deep pot or pan over medium-high heat. 5. Using your hands, form the chickpea mixture into small balls or patties. 6. Carefully place the falafel into the hot oil and fry for 3–4 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. 7. Remove the falafel from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. 8. Serve the falafel hot with tahini sauce, hummus, or tzatziki sauce. 3. Kabsa. Ingredients: 2 lbs chicken, cut into pieces. 2 cups basmati rice. 1 onion chopped. 3 cloves garlic minced. 2 tomatoes chopped. 2 carrots chopped. 1 cup frozen peas. 1 tsp tomato paste. 1 tsp cumin. 1 tsp coriander. 1 tsp cinnamon. 1 tsp black pepper. Salt to taste. 3 cups chicken broth, all for cooking. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, heat oil over medium-high heat and saute the chicken pieces until browned on all sides. Remove from the pot and set aside. 2. In the same pot, saute the onion and garlic until softened. Add in the chopped tomatoes, carrots, and frozen peas. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened. 3. Stir in the tomato paste, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, black pepper, and salt. Cook for 1–2 minutes. 4. Add the chicken back into the pot and pour in the chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. 5. In a separate pot, cook the basmati rice according to package instructions. 6. Once the chicken is fully cooked and tender, remove it from the pot and keep it warm. 7. Drain the cooked rice and add it to the pot with the remaining broth.